So you came into work today and perhaps you noticed brown spots on your ceiling, or you noticed there's actually water dripping down in the buckets. Either way, it's time to take action and get the problem fixed. But where do you start? Hi, my name is Greg Palia and I'm with West Roofing Systems. I do the digital content marketing here. And today I want to introduce you to Barney. He's the star of our Between Two Trucks series, and today he's going to sit with you and go step by step and what goes into a commercial roof inspection.
Hi, my name is Greg Barney Haas. I'm a service tech at West Roofing Systems. You try to do a visual inspection of the building to find out what type of deck it is, if it's a wood, metal, see if there's any leak areas that are in throughout the building itself. So once you do that, we get up on the roof, we start investigating, look at ponded areas. If it's a point you can't get on the roof, then sometimes we have to do a visual from afar. Once we do a visual inspection, we do a lot of measurements and stuff like that first. Second is the substrate itself, you know, what type of material it is, if it's a rubber roof. And once we determine that, then basically we take a physical core throughout a certain amount of areas throughout the roof to find out the matrix of that roof system. Also, we check for dryness, wetness, deterioration. If we did the internal inspection, we already know what the type of deck it is and the condition of the deck itself. Well, that's one of the questions I first ask the customer when I arrive is, do you know how old your roof is? A lot of times they know, sometimes they don't. Other than the visual inspection, we also look at if it has a lot of ponding areas. Does it have enough drainage on this roof system? Ponds are a big issue because any roof system that's out there cannot handle the water sitting there for a great amount of time. It deteriorates the roof a lot quicker. You get the freeze and thaw method coming on in the winter time. You know, that basically blows a roof apart. A lot of times an older roof, an EPDM roof, eventually gets to a stage that it starts pulling on the edges and it pulls your metal up, which that also determines that, hey, you know, it's time to re-roof. Basically, it breaks it down, the square footage, if it's gutter, scuppers, overflow scuppers. A lot of verbiage is in the beginning of that report, and then after that we include a lot of pictures, an overall picture. We show the conditions of the roof, you know, per our visual inspection. Also states in there, you know, their metal flashings, are they good condition? Coping stone, are they good condition? Basically, we just completely show everything that we think is a problem with this roof system in that report. We do pictures as, you know, here's the damage it's causing, here's what needs to be fixed. We also include a proposal with that after all that's said and done. If they got 2 or 3, that's something that's manageable, that we could go up there and give them a substantial good repair, then yes, that, you know, repairs can be taken care of fairly easy. It depends on if it's bigger than that or the areas of saturation are larger than normal, then sometimes we have to look at a different avenue. It's a fine line when you look at a roof system. Is age is the biggest factor in that. Second is, will this system adhere to the existing system? You know, can we get it clean enough is another issue. So a lot of factors involved when you start looking at the SRNs or the coating systems on an existing roof system. Now, like a gravel BR, you can't do that. The rubbers and the TPOs, it depends on the age of them. If you get a lot of, the seams are to the point where they're blowing apart, sometimes constitute no SRM on that one. Two main factors is the age of the roof and how much roofing is there. If it has 2 roofing systems on it, sometimes we can come in and just remove the top layer. So we can include a 2-system roof. A lot of times if it's completely saturated, you end up tearing it all the way down to the deck and starting over. We try to turn it around fairly quick. We don't wait a week. We, you know, 2 or 3 days tops that we try to get it back to them. A lot of times the way I do it is I send that along with the proposal so they have something to look at and compare. Why am I doing this? And you know, if I can't do a repair, it's a full-fledged, you know, re-roof. There's a lot of ways they could reach out to us. We do have a lot of internet access that they can go in and fill out forms. WestRoofingSystems.com. They can go on our website and has forms there that they could fill out. Simple phone call, that's still out there. A lot of people still use the phone. So there's many ways that you could reach us, and normally we try to get out within a 24 hours after that initial contact.
Thank you for watching our video today. We really appreciate it. If you can, please subscribe to our channel. We post videos all the time about the latest with spray foam roofing. And if you can, we also have an extensive blog on our website that we post 2 articles every single week with the latest with spray foam. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you.